Just a quick video showing the working of the rear axle, the 2-speed rear axle of the 1986 International. So right now it's at the far right end, and so one of them is low, one of them is high. I'm not sure which side is which. And then in the middle we should have a neutral. So if I move this to around there, I'll spin the drive shaft. It's neutral. Then if I get a nice spot there, I should be able to move it that way. There we go. And now it's in another speed. Now it does seem to me like it goes more to the left than to the right. But as you can see, it should move around by hand.